So another standout here at the Newport show, for obvious reasons, is the Elex 8000 by Xshore. It's a Swedish company that's been building electric boats for just about a couple years here. This is hull 23 beneath me, but it's making its Newport debut. And again, as per usual, getting a lot of attention. Interesting things everywhere you look and touch. This is actually made out of cork, so for those wine connoisseurs that are also boat lovers out there, they'll feel right at home. There's carbon fiber throughout the boat, on the inside of the hull, throughout the hardtop to keep the weight down. Again, kind of as the name implies, this is an electric boat. We're going to be running it through its paces here to see what kind of horsepower and what kind of range we're going to see here. But one of the coolest features I found from the captain was that through this Garmin watch is how you can control the boat. There's a man overboard function where if I were to fall off right now, or if one of my crew were to mutiny, the boat would actually shut off. Joke's on them. Oh,
there's gonna be a test over here, so don't mind if I do.
Speaking of mutiny of the crew, I guess Simon will be joining this test as well. Simon, welcome aboard.
Mr. Innovation, you know.
That's it. You took a break from the sunpad testing for electric boat tests.
That's what I'm here for.
All right, all right. I was just telling them about my fancy Garmin watch that controls boats. So if you guys were to ditch me,
yes.
Okay. Here, the editor-in-chief of Trade Only, Jeff Moser. Jeff,
yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna see trial this boat.
Oh, well, I guess three's a crowd.
Yeah.
All right. Well.
Oh, you got the watch? Did you get it started?
All right. Let's fire it up. Time to get underway.
Dan Bob.
Dan.